Hey guys, good afternoon. Greg with Fun and Sun RV. Time for another walkabout. This time it's on our Flagstaff Shamrock 233S hybrid trailer. Here she is. Right there. And we will start with the front like we always do. And on the front we do have power tongue jack with the 20-pound tanks, which are the exchangeable tanks, and a solid tank cover. Also, this is set up for dual batteries, so if you want to put two batteries on, you can. And down here, the little red key, that is actually a battery disconnect, so that if you're not using your trailer, you can actually shut the batteries off so it doesn't drain your batteries down when you're not using the trailer. Over here we have a hitch hookup light for hooking up at nighttime. This will be your city water hookup and your winterizing connection to make it easier for winterizing the trailer. You can do it in about 10, maybe 15 minutes. Come around the side here, we have a storage compartment right there. And we do have upgraded aluminum wheels with independent TorqueFlex rubberized suspension and four-wheel brakes. The cool thing with the flip-out bunks on the Shamrock is that they are permanently affixed at the bed as well as at the wall, so there's no bungee cords to deal with on the underneath side or anything like that. Makes setup really easy. All you have to do is put in your bow at the bunk end. Come around the side here. Apologize for the wind, but it is windy today. We do have a nice radius roof with the back camera prep. Down below we have a spare tire with a solid cover and a 2-inch bicycle carrier receiver, so you can carry two bikes if you want to, or use your conventional bike carrier that you have for your vehicle. Also, you're going to have a full-length power awning with LED light strips, as well as outside TV hookup, so you can put your TV outside if you'd like. Here are the connections. That's for the cable, and that's your ground fault protected plug. And this is your black water flush for flushing out the black water tank. Also on the Shamrock, you're going to have the solid step with an oversized grab handle, and they put a window in the door and more storage. I'm not sure if it's open. These are all prepped for solar panels, so if you'd like to put a solar panel on, you can do that, as well as Wi-Fi Ranger, so you can turn your travel trailer into an internet hotspot if you so desire. Pretty cool. And that about wraps it up for the outside of the Shamrock 233S. Let's check out the inside. We are now inside the Shamrock 233S, and it's a beaut. Check it out. We do have a huge U-shaped dinette that is in a slide out, as well as storage underneath the cubbies, the dinette. And what's really nice is all your dinette frames are all aluminum framed as well, so it's not just the outside superstructure, which is incidentally 6-sided, but all your basic dinette beds, all that type of stuff, those would all be aluminum framed too. We do have a nice deep drawer here, which is an all wood drawer. Nice little touch, full extensions. A little flip down desk or charging station for charging your phones. That's actually right there. There's a little 12 charging station in there. And up here you do have a TV, which comes with a coach, as well as your AM, FM, CD, DVD, MP3. It plays it all. IRV technology stereo system. Moving on down, we do have the oversized gas electric refrigerator with a nice wood insert, and this is an auto ignition refrigerator, so it switches from gas to electric automatically, and it's got a lot of space in there, both in the doors and your refrigerator compartment. To make the auto changeover work, you just turn it on right here. You know, if you're plugged into 110, it'll run on 110. If you unplug, the refrigerator will automatically sense it and switch to gas. Over here is a side bunk. The cool thing with this floor plan is you actually have 3 flip down bunks. You've got a queen size flip down bunk in the front, a full-size flip-down bunk in the back or the side, as well as another full-size bunk in the back. So you have 3 flip-down bunks, gives you a ton of space. This coach can sleep 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 people pretty easily. Also, what's nice is they do come with a nice bunk-in light and a fan to help circulate cool air on those hot, muggy nights. Plus, you have a lot of windows that open up for ventilation there, and the tent is all vinyl. Whole bunch of little storage cubbies above the beds. You can store a ton of stuff in there. And then you have a nice big dry bath. So you do have a deluxe foot flush toilet with linen storage behind it. A nice high CFM vent fan with a Max Air vent cover on the top too, as well as light switch so the kids can turn the bathroom light on without having to get a hold of you to, or mom and pop, to have them turn the light switch on for them because it was too high if it's on the ceiling. And you have a nice vanity with an oversized sink and a nice little storage cubby right there, as well as down below, nice storage area, oversized sink, and a nice shelf that'll handle a glass and your toothbrushes, as well as a built-in wood medicine cabinet. Hey guys, good to see you. There you go. Also, this is nice, they actually give you towel bars. Not a lot of manufacturers do that. Pretty cool. And then you have a nice radius glass shower door, which opens up to a huge walk-in shower with a tub surround. So it is a functional shower. It's got some storage cubby up here for shampoos, whatever, and soap dishes, so shampoos right there. And this does have the new water saver feature, which is right here, which what that basically does is it recirculates your hot water so that you don't have to worry about wasting so much water trying to wait for the shower water to warm up. Nice feature. Skylight, so it does give you a nice natural light inside the travel trailer as well. Moving around, coming to the kitchen area. Here we have a nice pantry. Gives you a ton of extra storage right there. Plus, again, more scrubby cubbies and drawers, all full-length extension. Storage. A nice solid surface countertop versus T-insert molding or a Formica particle board. This is actually a solid surface. And we do have flush mount, or I should say under counter mount sinks. Stainless steel with a high-rise metal faucet. And this is nice sink covers, our flush mount as well. And that gives you a nice dish drainer right there. And sink cover to give you more counter space when you need it. And then your oven, stove, range is right here. And we do have a 3-burner range with a huge oven. I mean, it's big. You can put a turkey in there if you wanted to. Also, we have a nice flush mount bifold burner cover on top of the stove. So that way there you can use it for more counter space if you need. And then you got your 3-burner range. And the neat thing about it, they're matchless ignition. You just push the button, they light automatically in your controls. Behind the range, we do have a knife rack. So it does have the slots in there so you can put knives in there, stores them out of the way conveniently. And an oversized window by the galley, which will give you a lot of ventilation that way too. Power range hood, as well as a microwave with a turntable. And we have our flip down sofa over here. So again, plenty of room in here when you consider you have the slide out and all the flip down bunk ends. Very, very nice. And that about wraps it up for the inside of the Shamrock 233S. If you have any questions or you would like to view this coach, you can contact Coopersville at 616-837-9768, or you can contact our Ludington location at 231-845-8282, or just visit us on the web at www.fnsrv.com. Again, this is Greg Grossenbacher with Fun and Sun RV, and I'll see you in the next video. Have a great day and happy camping. Bye-bye.